Good morning, everyone. It's nice to see you all again today. We are here again today for our English conversation class. Okay, good morning. Everybody say good morning, Teacher SL. Okay, I hope you are all well in your house right now. Okay, so to start, let us hear first a song about what will be our lesson for today.
Nini mo, Nini mo, Nini mo, Nini mo. Welcome to K1-Farm's farm. Do you know who lives here? Let's go have a look. Guess who lives on Ping-Pong's farm? A horse lives here. The horse says neigh, 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 neigh. Guess who lives on Ping-Pong's farm?
A cow lives here. The cow says moo moo moo. The horse says neigh 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 neigh.
Guess who lives on Ping-Pong's farm? A pig lives here. The pig says oink oink oink. The cow says moo moo moo. The horse says neigh 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 neigh. Guess who lives on Ping-Pong's farm?
A dog lives here. The dog says woof woof woof. The pig says oink oink oink. The cow says moo moo moo. The horse says neigh 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 neigh.
Guess who lives on Ping-Pong's farm? A chick lives here. The chick says cheep cheep cheep. The dog says woof woof woof. The pig says oink oink oink. The cow says moo moo moo. The horse says neigh 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 neigh. Guess who lives on Ping-Pong's farm?
A duck lives here. The dog says quack quack quack. The chick says cheep cheep cheep. The dog says woof woof woof. The pig says oink oink oink. The cow says moo moo moo. The horse says neigh 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 neigh.
Guess who lives on Ping-Pong's farm? Our friend Ping-Pong. Hoi hoi Ping-Pong. The dog says quack quack quack. The chick says cheep cheep cheep. The dog says woof woof woof. The pig says oink oink oink. The cow says moo moo moo. The horse says neigh 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 neigh. One more time. Hoi hoi Ping-Pong. The dog says quack quack quack. The chick says cheep cheep cheep. The dog says woof woof woof. The pig says oink oink oink. The cow says moo moo moo. The horse says neigh 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 neigh.
All right. I hope you like the song. Okay, so that is all about, the song is all about the farm. Okay, so today we are going to learn about farm animals. Okay, or the animals you can see in the farm, or animals that live in the farm. Okay, you can say farm animals. Everybody say farm animals. Okay, very good. Okay, what are the farm animals? Let us name. No, not all. We cannot name all because there are many, but we are going to name the few and the most famous or familiar farm animals. Okay. First, no, what is this? First farm animal that we're going to know or learn is this one. Okay, what is this? Yes, this is a calf or a cow. No, you can say calf or you can say cow. This is a farm animal. Okay, next is this one. A cat. You can see a cat in a farm also. No? Same with in a pet. No, you can make the cat a pet. No, you can see this in your house and also in the farm. Next, what is this? Oh, this is very cute. This is a chick. Small. A chick is a baby chicken. No, a baby chicken is what you call chick. Next. Okay, what is this? Okay, what do you call this one? This is big now. Okay, a while ago, we have learned a small chicken. It's called chick. This one, it's now big. Okay, this is chicken. Very good. Okay, next. Oh, okay, a while ago, it's chicken. Now we have chicken, and this one, no, it's rooster. Rooster is a male chicken. Male is puchai. No, no. Yeah. Sorry. Puchai, a male rooster. Okay, next. This one. It's a cow. You can see and in the farm a cow. The cow will give us milk. Okay, cow will give us milk. Every day you drink milk, right? That is the milk is from the cow. You can see the cow in the farm. Next, this one, what is this? This is a dog. A dog can also be seen in the farm as well as in the house. You can make it as your pet. Next. Oh, what is this? Oh, are you afraid of this animal? Okay, this is what you call donkey. This is donkey. You can see a donkey in a farm. They live in a farm. Okay, next. This one, what is this? Okay, this is a duck. This is a duck. The duck will lay egg. No, we can eat the eggs as well as we can also have a food from ducks. Okay, this one, it's so small. It's so cute. It's what you call duckling. So a baby duck is what you call duckling. Okay, and a big duck, an adult is what you call duck, a baby is duckling. This one, what is this? This is a goat. This is a goat. You can see the goat in the farm. A goat will also give us milk and meat. Oh, this one, it's big. This kind of animal is big, bigger than a duck. No, this is what you call goose. This is also a farm animal. You can see this animal in the farm. Next. Ooh, this one is what you call a hen. A hen is a female chicken. Okay, it lays egg. It's a mother chicken. A rooster is a father chicken. A hen is a mother chicken. All right, next. This one, what is this? Huh? This is a horse. You can see a horse in the farm. And this one, next is this. It's a lamb. This is what you call lamb. Next, pig. Okay, this is a pig. And the next one is sheep. This is a sheep. And we can also see a rabbit in the farm. This is a rabbit. What is this? Next, what is this? This is a turkey. It's a big. No, you can have meat. You can make food out of the turkey. Next, okay, let's repeat. Okay, the farm animals. These are the farm animals. You follow after me. Okay, this one, this is turkey. Everybody say put dang dang, turkey, rabbit, rabbit, sheep, sheep, pig, pig, lamb, lamb, horse, horse, hen, hen, goose, goose, goat, goat, duckling, duckling, duck, duck, donkey, donkey, dog, dog, cow, cow, rooster, rooster, chicken, chicken, chick, chick, cat, cat, calf, calf. Again, everybody say it louder. Calf, cat, chick, chicken. Repeat after me. Everybody say, repeat after me. Put dang dang. Rooster, cow, dog, donkey, duck, duckling, goat, goose, hen, horse, lamb, pig, sheep, rabbit, turkey. Okay, So name the animals in the farm. You can see here. What are these? No, what are these animals? Let's tell this one. What is this? This is a turkey. Okay, you say it's a turkey. Okay, everybody say it's a turkey. It's a sheep. Say, put it's a calf. It's a chick. It's a donkey. It's a goose. It's a horse. It's a sheep. It's a rabbit. It's a rooster. It's a duckling. It's a hen. It's a goose. Oh, no, sorry, it's a duck. Sorry, it's a duck. It's a rabbit. It's a hen. Oh, no, it's a chicken. Sorry, it's a chicken. It's a donkey. It's a dog. It's a cow. Okay, good job, everyone. So these are the animals in the farm. Do not forget, okay? Always remember that the animals in the farm are the animals that live in the farm or you can see in the farm. All right. Thank you all for learning with Teacher Essel today. See you again next time. Thank you and bye-bye.